Productivity is an authorized Haas rotary table and indexer repair center. We provide fast, local, certified rotary table and indexer repair on most makes and models. From simple repairs to complete rebuilds, Productivity offers fast, local rotary repair in our 7,000 square foot state-of-the-art facility located in Minneapolis, Minnesota. Our certified repair center fixes Haas and most other makes and models. And with our large in-house parts warehouse and advanced inventory monitoring and tracking system, we can get the job done faster. Productivity also offers rotary table preventive maintenance programs that include motor checks, backlash adjustments, aqueous cleaning, oil, seal, and O-ring replacements to keep your machine up and running. We also offer full-service electronic repair of servo control units. You can rest easy with our 90-day limited warranty. Once we receive the rotary unit, one of our experienced technicians determines what repairs are needed to restore your unit to factory specifications. We disassemble and do a complete inspection and diagnosis of the unit. We will provide you with a fair and honest estimate. Should your rotary unit be beyond economical repair, we will let you know the options you have to get back up and running. Inside our repair center, a thorough physical inspection is performed. All parts and components are then cleaned or replaced. The unit is then rebuilt to factory specifications. We use only Haas genuine parts and original manufacturer parts. We have most parts in stock and a small in-house machine shop to further reduce your downtime. Your rotary unit is then tested, calibrated, and measured for accuracy. A final run-in is performed so your unit is ready to go when you get it. Your unit is repaired to the highest standards to perform like new. Your rotary is expertly packaged to ensure safe delivery. Packages are shipped via accredited shippers back to your facility, usually within 2 to 7 business days from the day we receive your order. Call us. One of our trained customer service agents will discuss how we can help with any of your live tool needs.